Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I hope everyone is doing their inner work, working on coming out of the separation with their twin flame. As we all know, this journey is about self more than twin flame. It's more about self, right? So today we will talk about why separation is an illusion and why when we blame our twin flame it is being reflected back to us, it is being bounced back to us. So first of all, there is a great shift that is happening in June now, so you all have to be prepared for it. A great change is happening. There is a lot of purging that is happening, healing that is happening, a big transformation and change is happening. Everything is going according to the divine plan. Nothing in this world goes according to us. We can just request the universe and divine, and we have to believe that it is gonna come true one day. We have to keep our trust. Most of the things that we lack in this twin flame journey is that while talking about twin flame, we are so much dependent on them. Being in this society, we have been conditioned since childhood that a twin flame is separate from us, other people are separate from us. There is no separation between us and our twin flame. There is no separation between us and other people. It's just our ego that makes us separate from other people. They are also human beings like we are. And when there is an attachment related to someone, when we label someone as our twin flame, then there comes a turning point of attachment. Imagine one day someone came and told you that that person, or one day came to know from your own experience that okay, fine, that person is not your twin flame. Your all love will vanish within 1 to 2 hours. Your whole attachment will vanish. Why is that? Because there is a lot of attachment, egoistic, 3D, you can call it whatever suits you, you can call that. Certain things are happening right now inside us, and really if we want to experience the real taste of truth, we have to come out of all the illusions of pain, triggers, and other things. You really have to see all the things that are happening in your life as a lesson, as a part of your healing, as everything is being guided. Once you are in this journey, once you start going ahead in this journey, you have to see everything as divine guidance, and you have to keep your all the desires up to you, all your egoistic desires up to you, so that you can really see the love behind attachment. Once you shed all the layers of your ego, and once we start seeing that twin flame is always with us, then you wouldn't be able to see any kind of a separation. There is gonna be days in your life when you're gonna miss them a lot, and there are days in your life when you are fine and good without them. Why is that? Because there are certain layers that we need to shed with the inner work. We, as a twin flame, have always been fighting for our truth, we have always been dependent on others for everything. We have always been dependent on others for love that we lack for ourselves, for we have always been a people pleaser. We have always needed an approval from others. Why is that? Because we don't trust ourselves. There is a lack of trust in us. Whatever you go through, you just have to see it that everything is happening under the divine guidance. Everything is happening just because so you can come out of all the egoistic layers that we have put since so many lifetimes on us. In some lifetime, you might have lived in one house with your twin flame but might have been unsuccessful in coming to reunion. When there is no neediness behind this relationship, then only you will be able to see this as a pure divinely love. Everything happens for a reason. Our egoistic mind doesn't want to believe it, but once you learn to be happy without anything or anyone in your life, that will be a day you will start living in present moment. In past also, in many audios, I have talked about twin flames, how they should live in present moment, and how we should just ignore all the egoistic things. Ego wants all the material things. Ego wants that person to be achieved or see that person as an achievement. So what happens once we achieve that person, start living with that person in one house, is that we start ignoring it. Why is that happening? Because somewhere we are lacking the deep connection within ourselves. If you really want to develop a deep connection with yourself, start working on yourself and shedding all the layers of ego. I always recommend reading a book called The Power of Now. That is really a beautiful book to see how you can come out of all the ego games and mind games that mind plays just not to be in this moment. Just because your ego can't see that you are separate from your twin flame doesn't has to be true. Your soul knows there is no separation, but to see that separation as an illusion, you have to overcome all the work. You have to do all the work and overcome all the layers that we have been conditioned. And lastly, I would also like to say that there is a meditation, inner child meditation this in this channel that you can use. It is available in English and Hindi. There is also a womb meditation that you can use to overcome all the motherly beliefs, conditions that you have put on yourself. Okay, so that is all for today. If you like this video, Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good time.